Welcome to NextBright English. Let's talk, learn, and have fun with English. This is your chance to speak out and grow, 1 minute at a time. Today's speech topic is my favorite season. Let's listen to the full 1-minute speech first. My favorite season is spring. I like it because the weather gets warmer and flowers start to bloom. After the cold winter, it feels nice to wear lighter clothes and go outside more. In spring, I enjoy walking in the park and seeing cherry blossoms. The air smells fresh, and everything looks more colorful. I also like spring because it's the beginning of the new school year. I feel excited to meet new classmates and try new things. Spring always gives me energy and makes me want to start something new. It's a season full of hope and fresh feelings. That's why spring is my favorite season. Now, let's go through the speech together and learn some useful words and phrases. Sentence: my favorite season is spring. Start your speech with a clear opinion. This gives your listener a strong idea of your topic. Sentence: I like it because the weather gets warmer and flowers start to bloom. Bloom means flowers open and show their color. Give a reason and a visual image. It makes your speech more interesting. Sentence: after the cold winter, it feels nice to wear lighter clothes and go outside more. Lighter clothes means not thick or heavy. Compare your favorite season to another one. It adds contrast and depth. Sentence: I feel excited to meet new classmates and try new things. Talk about how the season affects your emotions or motivation. Sentence: it's a season full of hope and fresh feelings. Use strong, positive words near the end to leave a good impression. Sentence: that's why spring is my favorite season. Finish by repeating your main idea. This helps the listener remember your message. Let's review. Start with, my favorite season is. Add reasons, examples, feelings, and small details. Use comparison and your senses to make your speech interesting. Now it's your turn. Talk about your favorite season in English. Subscribe now and make English your next bright step. Thanks for joining us at NextBright English. See you next time.